is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, these are always easy sellers for me because all we have to do is touch them up a little bit and then get them going. So I'm picturing it to be more farmhouse style. So a little bit of buffalo check with some of this really cool farmhouse ribbon. So y'all, let's fluff this little guy out. I am going to go ahead and trim this piece off. That way I can make it like into a little mini swag like this. All right, so y'all look, we're gonna zip tie this back together like this. Get that nice and tight. All right, so now we've got this little swag, but it looks a little like it needs a snack. It's very thin, right? Very thin. So we're gonna take this and beef it up a little bit. Now, depending on where these land, these might have to come off because they're not looking like something. Can't be having all that business. Y'all, I am gonna need my stem cutter though. So just like we did the bottom, I'm gonna do this right up here at the top. Y'all, now we can just layer this one right into this one. Now look how much better that looks. We'll just zip tie all that together. Y'all, now we just gotta decide where on the wreath do we want to put this. I'm thinking I kind of want it at an angle like this. This is just a zip tie project, y'all. All right, look, it's not really moving around. What I want to make sure is that when it's hanging on the customer's door, that when they get home one day, that it's not going to be turned around. All right, let's make a bow. Let's give it a little pinch. All right, y'all, we're going to go with about a 6-inch loop here. Y'all, I want to put in the buffalo check to match the ornaments on it. All right, give it a good pinch. Tie it off. Now on this one, y'all, I went with a few loops and I made them a little bit big so they're kind of loopy. That way, whenever we add them into the swag, they'll show. Y'all, trying to get this pipe cleaner to go through that mesh, that fabric. So y'all, I use my little ice pick to poke a little bitty hole in the fabric. Mainly. Oh, you know what it is? There's 2 layers of fabric right there. I was like, why can't I get that to go through? I'll show you when I flip it over what happens. All right, so see how I made the loops kind of big? That's so whenever we pull the tails out and about, we can pull some of that greenery up and into it. All right, y'all, now all I'm gonna do is pull those ribbons around a little bit so that some of the greens are coming up through the bow. Now, y'all, let me show you what I was struggling with on the back. So, y'all, the back of it is just 3 pieces of fabric. And I was trying to get the pipe cleaner to go through that seam right there. So it was like fabric, glue, fabric, and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't going through. So I used my little ice pick here and poked a hole through the fabric and through the glue so we wouldn't have any problems. All right, let's get that trimmed down. Fold it over, and it already has a hanger on the back. Good to go. Bye, y'all.